I'm so much taller than you. Kind of embarrassing.
Well, you are curious.
I didn't know there's something you were growling. I'm with mi hermana Kara. Today, me and Kara walked to Goodwill.
People were like following us around because I think they thought we were like
Gonna finesse everything.
but
We really copped everything instead of finessing.
we got them that flex money.
So we're gonna go ahead and show what we got. I got this.
I found that for her.
Okay, we don't care. It's so funny. I don't remember anyone asking who got it for me or who picked it out or saw it. Don't remember that. But anyways, I got this long sleeve sweater.
I just got this shirt. It says Monterey on it. I like it.
Kara, calm down. Okay. Give him another store. The shirt. Acrobat? Okay.
Well.
And I wait. I got this hoodie. UCLA, don't want to go there. Could care less. Don't plan on going to any college. Actually, who knows what the future holds, but don't know if this is where the future holds me.
Got this half up zipper, half quarter zip, I don't know what it's called, but it's really fuzzy and soft and warm. Fuego, if you will.
A weapon!
Confused direction. No sleep, how real bad man wake up. I found
Got this sweatshirt. It's green and it says Breckenridge, Colorado.
Son. And I'm bad at growing up.
I have this black sweater. I like it.
How embarrassing, just so boring.
Oh,
I've seen some people pull this off. I don't know if I can or not. But it's a polo.
never outgone. Homebody never outgone. Put my doubts on. Take it back. Feel like a mother. Feel like a deadhead. I'll be feelings you don't
We have primary colors on.
just wanna get high.
last thing I got. What?
Sister.
It's
So
this
cute.
quarter zip. I'm pretty sure that's what they're
It's
called.
a, what's the one?
Quarter. This is the quarter zipped. It's half red and half tan.
I got this cardigan.
I'll help you.
I got a cardigan. It's just a black one. It's not very long, but I thought this would be cute if it was like tucked in with jeans, but like all buttoned up. Does that make sense?
Yes.
You look like me in that?
Okay, I look like a model.
Sis, don't say.
You're so pretty. I'm serious though. I don't know why you think you're ugly sometimes.
Should I put hoop rings on? Yes. Emma wears these, and Emma just looks so good all the time, so I'm like,
Emma Chamby, my best friend.
Emma should be my
Friend.
bestie. Yeah, I love her so much. She wears these, and I just thought it was a cute fit. So this tucked in with like mom jeans and like hoops and Converse.
I found that for her too.
I got the same type of shirt, but like different pattern. Oh, being a genius.
Where's the microphone?
Aye.
Ooh, that is not gonna be pretty.
Kira, Slime Master, stop, please.
Okay.
I got this quarter zip, big,
Okay.
green, weed
I like this.
inspired
I like that.
jacket. Don't I look like a drug dealer a little? And then I got this big old sweatshirt.
She also got this green cap. This is a green belt. She said, or
No,
I said,
I got it from karate.
I said it looked like something Enya would wear.
I love Enya so much.
Baby, she's right.
Oh, I also got jeans.
Do you have any more of those tamarindo? Tamarindo.
Yeah, I have a lot left.
Can I have one?
I got these pants. Oh, it's the, okay. I'm super
Kaya, she's
honestly don't know. These are like $3. I don't even know if I'd ever wear them or not because they're super loud when I walk. ASMR.
whoa, this is like
Yeah.
ASMR city right here.
But like if I just like wore these, maybe it'd be a fit. Yeah, I don't know. I got a bunch of jeans. I got these. Very nice. The back, the sides, just super dope. Also super dope. They're kind of big, but with a belt, they'd be alright. And then I got these. You can model them if you want.
These are Lee too. These jeans, little Levi's. Nope. I don't like these kind of pants that they have like.
Okay, well, good thing they aren't yours.
Okay.
That was it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. You know those videos that are like the thrift with me, like thrift with me on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
We got it.
Yeah, those. I would like to do those, but I'm so terrified of filming inside public places. But maybe I'll overcome that fear. I don't know. Anyways, that was it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I already said that. I'll see you guys in my next video. And I guess on March 10th, which is coming up on the real quick, just let Kara know she's a real OG.
Coming up around the corner, let me just know how it's like being a teenager.
Wait, what? Bye, homie G's.
Adios, amigos. Live